Facts. Hell Quails on the motherfucking spot. You already know what this is, my nigga. I'm about to get down and dirty, you heard? On this rapping shit, you heard? I ain't playing around. You already know, like, it take time to do what you gotta do, you heard? But you already know I'm about to get busy and shit, but shit really crazy out here, you heard? I don't know who to trust. I don't know who to trust, motherfuckers, man. I don't know who to trust, nigga. But if you moving around, my gun bust, nigga. And I ain't playing around, and if it's beef, nigga, Quails gon' lay you down. I'm a creep, nigga, yeah, I never sleep. Watching out my two eyes, if it's beef, I got that heat. Nigga, yeah, I'm in my block, niggas really know I pop. Niggas see how I do it, nigga, like it or not. I be on my shit, nigga, but who can I trust? I don't know, nigga, let my gun bust. Niggas out here like to talk too much, but I ain't even saying a thing. You niggas know I bang, I really bang. Niggas talking about my fucking gang, nigga, I ain't really playing, man. Niggas know it's straight hood fam, just because we lay low. Don't think that my gun won't really blow. Play with me, move wrong, nigga, I'ma throw. I don't give a fuck, nigga, yeah, I'm from the low. Got some real G's that give it up, don't give a fuck. Nigga, what you talking about? Niggas did daytime. Niggas never snitch, nigga, but you get out of line. Hit you right with that 9. Yeah, I'm tearing your mind. I don't give a fuck, man, what these niggas think about me. These niggas out here really don't know me. And then I came up on the T, yeah, I'm fucking with my homies over there, waving that peace. Cause these niggas out here thinking that I'm a low nigga. I ain't no lame nigga, I'll pull a trigger. With you niggas thinking that you really gon' get me. Fuck that nigga, man, I'm riding out like a G. And niggas telling me who can I trust. I can't trust nobody. I don't know who to trust. But I trust my day ones, nigga, you already know. Family only. And I got a couple fucking homies. If I don't fuck with you, you don't know me. I don't know you, don't make me come at you, homie. I'm moving dolly with my son Rock. Niggas know we gon' pop, man, moving up to the top. Y'all niggas think y'all gon' fuck with my dog. If my son call me on that phone, I'ma let it off.